Ecological engineering applied to aquatic environments, projects with multiple benefits. A common concern today for aquatic environments is the preservation or restoration of their quality. To achieve this, decision makers, managers, designers and engineers must find environmentally friendly solutions in accordance with the Water Framework Directive, the Flood Directive and more recently the Marine Strategy Framework Directive. Numerous actions which are often unknown make it possible to apply these types of solutions. Among them, those relating to ecological engineering are gaining increasing interest due to their various benefits to the environment and its occupants. Harbour waters are at the interface between local watershed and the sea. Significant efforts have been made in recent years to improve their quality. The ecology engineering effort is now focused on restoring the nursery function of harbours, the growth of very young fish from certain small coastal areas that have been damaged or lost during harbour development, the installation of artificial habitats on maritime and harbour infrastructures allows young coastal fish to continue their life cycle before returning to the open sea. This new ambition also leads harbour managers to pay even greater attention to the quality of harbour waters and, if necessary, to strengthen their actions by being more demanding. It is a virtuous circle for ecology, quality of life and marine ecosystems. In aquatic environments, ecological engineering can contribute to reconciling several objectives within a single project, and thus provide several benefits. It participates in nature-based solutions that rely on healthy, resilient, functional and diversified ecosystems to respond to the effects of global change. For more information, please consult our collective works on ecological engineering applied to aquatic environments.